Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Have you guys heard of cookies that are nutritious in addition to being tasty? Well, that's precisely what we are going to be making. We are going to be making lemon chia cookies. These are very tasty, having a zesty flavor of lemon and the subtle crunch of chia seeds. So without further ado, let's get ready. Also make sure to watch the video until the end because there's a surprise in store for you all. So as this is butter, this is 50 grams of butter. We'll beat it with electric beater. This is soft now and we'll add powdered sugar to it. That will be 25 grams. We'll beat it again till the mixture turns light and fluffy. Now we'll add our dry ingredients to it. That will be maida, 75 grams. Almond flour, 25 grams. We'll just mix it with a spatula. Now we'll add our milk in this. Milk will be 7.5 grams. We'll add a drop of yellow color to it. And 2 to 3 drops of lemon essence. I'll just mix it with a spoon. We'll also add our lemon juice to it. And mix this batter in our and we just mix it nicely. We just use our hands now. The dough is too soft right now, so I'll prefer keeping it in fridge for some time and then we will roll it out. I'll just mix it properly. We'll keep it in fridge for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll roll out. So guys, our dough is out of the fridge now. We'll just roll it out on the parchment paper. We'll take one sheet. Just put your dough on the sheet. Make another sheet on it. And we just roll it out. We'll just cut it with a cookie cutter. Using this circle,
We'll just cut it. We'll top it with some chia seeds. We'll just press it lightly. Guys, the dough is still soft, so I'll keep this as it is in the fridge again for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we will bake it. So guys, the dough is out of the fridge now. We'll just place the cookies on the baking mat. Guys, we'll roll out the remaining dough again. And we'll keep it for baking at 160 for 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, this is our lemon chia cookies. It has cooled down completely, you can see. I'll just show it to you how we can decorate it. I'm doing it after it has fully cooled down. Don't do it on a hot plate. This is the melted white chocolate compound. I'll just place it on the tray. See how good these looks, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. But wait, I have got something special for you. Do you want to start your own home baking business? क्या आप अपना home baking business start करना चाहते हैं? I've put together a course having more than 75 different eggless baking recipes. These range from various types of cakes to cookies, brownies, muffins, cheesecakes, donuts, and so much more. In addition to these recipes, I will also give you insights into marketing, costing, and everything you need to turn your passion into a successful business. इस कोर्स में 75 रेसिपीज के साथ आपको मार्केटिंग लेसन्स, कॉस्टिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स और सारी चीजें सिखाई जाएंगी जो आपको एक होम बेकिंग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए जरूरी है. You can find the link to join this course in the description below. Also, there's another surprise for you. We are currently offering a 50% discount on course for a limited time. Book fast as limited slots are available. Before you go, don't forget to show some love. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Bye, I'll see you in the next video.